Hey everybody, in this video I want to talk about a mistake that I'm seeing residential pool owners make, and they're making it so frequently that I decided to quickly make this video and get this information out. If you first of all, I wanted to say, if you have never subscribed to me and you want swimming pool tips and tricks, my channel is focused on helping saving you money. I've got 13 years of taking care of swimming pools, and so I'm just here to kind of give my knowledge for free. And so I just wanted to say that. So the main thing that I actually see residential pool owners make is when their pool turns cloudy or green, they go to the pool store, which is fine. They're going to tell you, what chemicals to put in. And one of them is going usually to be liquid chlorine, okay? And so what happens is that they tell you to put in the liquid chlorine, which you do, and you put in the rest of the chemicals, and your pool looks good. It turns it back blue if it's not blue, and everything looks good. A day or two later, everything goes back downhill again, and you're scratching your head, hey, I've wasted so much money doing this and time, and it's right back at it. And that's where the calls come in to me in my company, is because they don't know what else to do. They put money into the pool store, and so they're at their wits end, and they call me, and then I'll usually come out and start the service. Well, I want to tell you how to eliminate that, and it's simple. When they tell you put in this amount of liquid chlorine, always double up on the liquid chlorine. No matter what they tell you, if they say put in a 2.5 gallon jug, add another one. Get them to add a second one. So whenever they recommend a certain amount, always double it. When a pool has algae or is cloudy, I always will at least put in 2.5 gallon jugs. Okay, sorry about that. I actually had a customer walk up on me, and so I needed to restart the video or just get back to where I left off. And so pretty much the main thing that I see that residential pool owners make, the mistake that I was getting at, I don't even know if I actually got to that point or not, is going to be undershocking their pool when there's a problem. They put in some shock, it looks good, maybe a gallon of liquid chlorine, it looks good, and then it comes back with a vengeance. And so this video is just to let you know, if the pool store gives you, say, a 2.5 gallon jug, always get a second one. If they give you two, always get a third one. Never undershock the pool. And so hopefully that can help you out with any problems that you have in the future. And I wanted to thank everybody for watching this, and thank you for subscribing. If you want pool tips and help with your pool, you can always watch the videos, subscribe to the channel, get the new videos, and you can always ask me any questions that you have. If you want me to make a video on a certain topic to do with swimming pool service, just let me know. And if it's something that I can do, I definitely will make one. So until my next video, I will see you later. Thank you.